below. Number 4 is Anycubic Kobra Plus 3D printer. The Anycubic Kobra Plus is the ultimate companion for robotic enthusiasts, bringing a whole new level of smartness and convenience to 3D printing. With its 25-point auto-leveling feature, the days of detailed manual adjustments are gone. Just sit back and let the printer do the precise detection and fast leveling, freeing you from tedious tasks. No need to worry about unexpected power failures either. The power off resume function intelligently pauses the printing process and ensures you can pick up right where you left off when power is restored. It's like having a reliable partner who always has your back. The 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen adds a touch of sophistication to your printing experience. With its sensitive response and brighter display, navigating through the printer's features becomes a breeze, making every interaction a joy. With its all-metal geared extruder and powerful dual fans, the Anycubic Kobra Plus ensures smooth filament melting and quick cooling, giving you unparalleled print quality. And let's not forget about the printing size. It's a whopping 2.5 times larger than its predecessor, the Anycubic Mega S, offering you ample space to bring your robotic dreams to life. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is